welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Today's video is an update video as well as some yard chores that needed doing. And once that equipment comes out, it can get a little noisy. I'm going to try to cover that up with some music or something like that. But P. Sherman's out helping me out today. He's just checking my hands out for a moment. And then the other boys are probably back here being crazy men. But we will just get to work, and hopefully this stuff helps you. You can use some of this in your yard. My favorite update is obviously I found the green moss, so that's pretty cool. And then my favorite chore, I think, is when my husband pulls out that torch. That thing's pretty awesome, but noisy. So we'll mess with that. Let's get to work. Really tough time finding it this year, but now it is available on Amazon. So there is an affiliate link in the description box if you'd like to use that. If not, that is totally fine. You can look around for it. I just had a really tough time finding it this year. I have no idea. Usually I can find it in the craft stores. This year it was not as readily available as it has been in the past. So now we've got it. I'm ready to work with it. I'm going to bring you overhead. So both of the dogs are in here since Will is on the mower and Jesse's out on the weed eater, so I have dogs in here. So if you hear someone getting a little crazy, it's the boys. Mom gets to spend the time with them. All of the colors of the succulents look so nice off of the bright green, even if they're bright green succulents. Oh, I know. Should we speed up? She's not going outside just yet. This week we've got rain coming in, so I'll keep her inside for a little more. But I did get her top dressed, and I had been itching to see that green, nice green moss and how the colors of the succulents popped right off of it. So I absolutely love it, and I hope that you do too. And I hope that if you can use this idea somewhere in your yard or your home or just anywhere you do, because it just is such a pretty look. It just feels like spring. I just wanted to show the progress of how the weed cleanup is going. I think it's looking great, and I want him to do my garden this way because I'm over the weeds. So this is just a little control burn. You're not supposed to water them when they're popping open, so we are leaving this gal in the greenhouse to sort of do her own thing. And I just wanted to show you how pretty that's looking. This is actually my daughter's, but I planted it up for her, so it's just hanging out here until she's ready to take her home. Got this little heucherella in a pot, and I think I want to underplant with these violas. I thought that would be a pretty combination, and I think I will move it over just a tiny bit. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a good one.